Namaskar. Today we discussing a deadly topic, constipation. Constipation बहुत common है और जिनको वो होता है they start taking Subgol. Now that is not safe at all. Why? Because when we are taking the Subgol, what we are doing is almost every night हम वो लेते रहते हैं and we don't realize it that we start taking it for months and months and years together, which is a big no. Now क्या करना है कि हमें constipation ना हो? How to cure it? Number 1, drink lots of water, and this we all know. And if you get bored by just having sukha pani, you can have jeera pani, have methi dana pani, ajwain pani, lemon water. These are all dramas, but you can do it as long as you have pani. Number 2, lack of fiber. We just all running and doing keto. Low carb diets lead to constipation. So make sure there's a lot of fiber in your diet. Number 3 is sleep. So sleep on time and get up on time. Number 4, probiotic. Now this is a bacteria which is needed in our body and it is very important. Simple, Praji, तुसी दही खाओ.